In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix Yahoo Mail not opening. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and start with a simple refresh. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button, and on Mac, you can use Command plus R. Give the page a moment to reconnect and check if your inbox loads properly. If Yahoo Mail still won't open, try using a private or incognito window. Come and sign in again. Private browsing uses a clean session without your usual cookies and extensions, which can help identify whether stored browser data is causing the problem. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, and choose a longer time range, such as all time, for a more thorough cleanup. After clearing the data, fully close and restart your browser before trying Yahoo Mail again. If Yahoo Mail still won't open, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi or router to refresh the connection to your internet provider. Then test another website to make sure your connection is working normally. Once your internet connection is stable, return to Yahoo Mail and try opening your inbox again. Finally, refresh your Yahoo Mail session by signing out and signing back in. In Yahoo Mail, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, and then enter your email address and password to sign in again. This can reset session, token, or cookie issues that may be preventing Yahoo Mail from loading. Work through these steps in order and try opening your inbox after each one. A simple refresh or private browsing window may solve the issue quickly, while clearing browser data, updating your browser, checking your internet connection, and signing back in can help resolve deeper loading problems. That's it. You've now learned how to fix Yahoo Mail not opening. Thank you for watching the video.